To install the rear outlet 2-piece toilet and macerator pump, you will need these tools and materials. Before beginning, please check the package to verify that all components and parts are present. Ensure a water supply valve and a GFCI outlet for the macerator pump are in place before starting. Flip the macerator pump upside down. And attach the floor mounting brackets to the bottom with screws. Move the pump to installation location and mark the holes. Drill 2 small holes. Then secure the pump with number 8 Phillips pan head screws. Connect the water inlet with a hose and secure it with clamps. It can connect to a sink or a shower to suit your needs. For any unused inlets, seal it with a stopper plug. Next, connect the discharge elbow to the sewage outlet. This elbow fits a 1 1/4 inches or 1 1/2 inches sewage PVC pipe. Ensure all connections are secured with clamps. The pump comes with activated carbon for odor control, or you can connect ventilation ducts for exhaust. Make sure all inlets are either connected or sealed. There are 2 extension pipes available for you to choose. Then connect the toilet to the pump. Based on the bowl's position, mark the points on each side. Once done, move the toilet bowl aside. Use a ruler to measure the thickness of each side of the toilet. Extend the lines we marked earlier by 1 9/16 inches on each side. Now, position the 2 white brackets to confirm the drill hole locations. Drill 2 holes. Then hammer in the anchors. After this, reposition the brackets over the anchors. Place the washers and tighten them with the screws. This step is crucial to ensure that the toilet stays stable and securely anchored. Connect the tank to toilet bowl. Insert the bolt and cone washer into the mounting holes on both sides of the tank bottom. Then secure them with metal washers and nuts. For convenience, you can install the water supply line now. This line is not included in the package. Install the gasket onto the toilet bowl. Attach the tank to toilet bowl. Place the rubber washer, metal washer, and wing nut in order from the bottom, tightening them by hand first. Check the toilet tank with a level to ensure it's perfectly even. Insert the flush lever into the left hole of the tank. Place the positioning rubber into the hole and adjust it for a correct fit. Secure the lever arm by tightening the rubber washer and plastic nut. Attach the chain from the flapper to the lever arm. Then test the flush lever to ensure it's functioning properly. Once everything is working, cover the tank lid. The next step is to connect the toilet. After assembling the toilet, connect it to the pump. Then secure the clamp. Connect the water supply. Now take the long screw and sleeve, twisting them into the small hole. Repeat the same process on the other side. Once secured, cover with the cap. Now plug in the pump and turn on the water supply to test the flush. Ensure everything is working perfectly and leak-free. Let's install the toilet seat. Insert the seat bolts into the bowl and tighten them with a power drill. Adjust the seat for a perfect fit. Then secure everything in place and cover the caps. Finally, securely attach the seat. Your two-piece toilet installation is now completed.